Welcome you all for this channel. In today's session, let's understand present value of annuity. In the last two videos, we clearly explained what is the actual meaning of annuity. According to this illustrative example, person Y has an offer to receive 25,000 rupees per year from one of the investment scheme for a period of 8 years. An annual interest rate of 10%. What is the present value of these periodic future cash flows? Cash inflows. So maybe according to this scheme, maybe he made a one-time initial investment or whatever the agreement between these two client and as well as the investment scheme. According to the investment scheme, they are offering person Y every year they are offering 25,000 rupees per year. So the fundamental question what person Y is asking or he wants to calculate, if I receive 25,000 rupees every year for another 8 years at a cost of capital or a discount rate or an interest rate of 10 percentage, what may be the present value as on today? So that is what the simple calculation he wants to understand. For in order to calculate this present value, right? So annuity. So we need to apply a formula called present value of annuity formula. Instead of applying formula, we can make use of Excel operations. So how do we calculate this? Here there is no question of future value coming to the picture. We called annuity. What is the meaning of annuity? So wherever there is a periodical constant cash flows involved in the problem, so it's nothing but is an annuity problem. Then we need to what we need to calculate, whether we have to calculate future value or present value. We need to calculate present value here. So we have to apply present value annuity formula. So what is the annuity here? So every year person Y is receiving 25,000 rupees. The discount rate here they clearly mention at a rate of 10 percentage. The number of years they mention 8 years. So how do we calculate? Equal to minus PV, right? Just double click here. The interest rate is say 10 percentage, right? Number of periods they clearly mention 8 years. So here PMT, what is the role of PMT here? So PMT we have to consider whenever you're using annuity problems. Every year constant 25,000 rupees is receiving. So please give the cell reference of 25,000 rupees annuity. So what is the future value? There is no rule of future value here. Please mention 0. Type assuming that he is receiving 25,000 rupees what at the end of the each period. So 0. So close the bracket. So enter. So he is getting right. So 1,33,373 rupees. That actually that is a present value. So what is the actual meaning of that? So the present value of future cash inflows is this much amount value. That is 1,33,373 rupees. So the present value of future cash inflows of 25,000 rupees every year, that value, all these future cash inflows, altogether the value as on today at a discount rate of 10 percentage is this much amount. So what is the beauty of Excel here? You can change the discount rate 10 percentage to 11 percentage. Accordingly the respective present value can be the respective present value will change. Instead of 25,000, assume that the person is investing 30,000 rupees. So you can understand, instead of 8 years, take 10 years. So your present value will change. So that's why, so please understand these Excel operations, the formulas once. So depends upon your conditions, depends upon your convenient, right? So you can use a formula and accordingly you can take a better decision, right? So thank you very much for watching this video. So kindly subscribe this channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you very much.